One thing that I think elevates any kitchen is under cabinet lighting. Now that can be really expensive. You have to run electrical, you have to have the proper stuff. Not with this product, guys. This is magnetic, battery operated, and remote controlled. You have a bunch of different settings. Let's just use 15 minutes for now. Look at that. Look at the difference it makes in the under cabinet. These are really awesome lights. You can see they're right here. The way that it works is that it comes with a little adhesive magnet that goes directly to the cabinets right here, and the lights themselves stick on with the magnet on the back. Just like that, because they are battery operated and they are rechargeable. So when these start to die or they need to be recharged, it comes with this little option to have a battery charger here. You can see the 3 USB-C ports. I'll turn it off just so you can see that it's charging. Anytime that we are starting to cook, anytime that we have friends over and we want to make sure that our area looks nice and neat and complete, it really adds a lot of character to your kitchen, adds brightness when you're cleaning, all the things that you need to be able to see. Do I recommend this product? Absolutely. For the money, it is worth every single penny. And the fact that it's rechargeable is insane. And the battery life on these things are wonderful.